Hey guys, I wanted to talk you through how you should approach the Canvas page. This is what the Canvas page looks like. I'm going to change this to student view really quickly here. Remember, you're not going to want to get any of your assignments from your to-do page. It's just not going to be very helpful. So here, right here on the page, you can see I have a set of buttons. Right now, not all of them are active, and that's just mostly because some of the things haven't been set up yet, but I will show you what I can. Notice that on the bottom of the page, it tells you what unit we're on, and that way you'll know what is current. If you take a look here, there's a button for my website. This is the daily check-in, and here are the modules. The daily check-in is a Google form, and your name will be among those that you can claim. These are all my family members. Sorry, made a dummy form for it. And then you'll indicate which lesson you are working on and your status. That means I'm doing well, I don't need your help, I'm ready for a mastery check, I'm doing stuff, I'm ready for a playing test, and then how you're feeling. I really need Miss Swallow's help, I'm fine, I'll probably just end up working by myself. Anything that will be like that will be good. All right, once you've checked in, make sure you go to the modules. Right now, we are currently on Unit 0. Oh, that needs to be fixed. Oh, I love it when that happens. So I'll leave the student view so you can see this. Good job, Miss Swallow. All right, so here we are. For some reason it works for me, but not for you yet. I will see about fixing that. So this is Unit 0 module, and you just start right at the top. And it guides you through, and it will not let you go on until you do what it asks for. So this particular page tells you that you need to go to the ukulele homepage and then make sure you're doing the videos on how this class works and tips for success, and that there are first day ukulele questions. And then you can mark this as done to go on to the next thing. Then you will go through the next thing. This one is questions that you'll have to answer. So sometimes that will be what it is. You might have to do for your mastery check something like this, where you have to answer questions. Sometimes your mastery check will be to come show me what you can do, some of the skills that we've been working on. This next unit lesson is for the next day. So each lesson is a day of the week. There are different things for you to do. When you look at it and you're going, then you will be able to go on to the next part, whether that's to take a quiz or to do a test like this one. That's the recording test. All sorts of things that will make it easier. Okay, sometimes and most often, the videos that you're going to need are embedded in the page here on Canvas. And so if you can see that, then you'll be all sorts of good and can do what you need to. Remember, there are things here like this link to the rehearsal skills evaluation, the rehearsal and ensemble skills video, and the citizenship rubric video you'll be able to see in addition to this video here. And then when you complete everything, you'll be done with that 0 unit, the one that we were on for now. Okay, please make sure if you have questions that you ask me, and we'll be able to modify this as we go on to make things work better for us. So if you're having a problem or if there's something that doesn't make sense, shooting me an email would be great. All right, good luck.